Alright, got everything packed. Got the double winter jacket because nothing else fit in my carry-on, which apparently I'm gonna have to check anyways, according to my dad. Got a long trip to Newark ahead.
Jewish? Great night. Are you Jewish?
No, sorry.
Have a great night.
I somehow always get asked if I'm Jewish.
Are you Jewish?
No, I'm not.
Okay, have a good night.
You too. It's the second time somebody asked me that in the span of 10 minutes. They know something I don't. It's 7:30. I totally just missed a train too while I was talking. Classic.
Sun on my skin, so this is love. I know it is. I know it sounds super cliche, but you make me feel some type of way. This is falling in love.
Getting the cat out of the car.
I think he's trying to come to the Four Seasons.
Skin. So this is love. I know it is. I know it sounds super cliche, but you make me feel some type of way. This is falling in love. I know it sounds super cliche, but you make me feel some type of way.
This looks way different than the last time.
Kind of stuff. Could be a boat.
I wouldn't mind swimming here.
It's probably not that cold.
Jumping off,
Should we try? It's not too bad.
Let's go check out the marina.
Okay. Really? It's cool. I didn't think people would be water skiing in December.
65 degrees, not exactly.
Winter, right? Warm out? It's cool.
It's okay. It's clean.
Yeah. Out of bounds a little bit.
Does it spooking you out?
No, why?
What's over here?
It's not because you can see the bottom, you know.
This.
It's called Lake Vuliakmeni. It's a thermal lake, which means it's warmer than, you know, the ocean would be.
It's to be 21 degrees Celsius. Ooh, there's fish. It's crazy. Ooh. It's a bit chilly. I'm also stepping on fish right now. It's a weird feeling. It's very slimy. Like 40 minutes outside of Athens, the city center. It's supposed to be really good for your body. It's pretty warm right now. Kind of like the temperature of a pool, I'd say. But pretty cool. It's like a Mexican restaurant.
Yeah, but I think we just need like classic food and beer outside for sure.
We have a friend joining us for dinner.
What are you drinking? Beer?
Yeah, I'll take a beer.
Una derecha. Or you want wine? You want wine or beer?
No, beer.
Beer.
Where's the list in the back?
We have by bottle half a liter, Amstel, Fisher, Heineken, Alpha, Mamos, Nikos, and glass of Alpha, 330 ml.
Heineken.
Yeah.
2 Heineken. Και άμα πεινάμε θα φάμε κι άλλο. Υπόσχομαι.
Thank you.
Got a straw, thank you. Yeah. Oh, it's very cool though.
Huh?
I said it's cool though.
Not a bad view.
So busy here.
They're gonna have a band here New Year's.
Oh yeah? And then they do the fireworks too.
That's
Packed.
They definitely have a specific way of hanging lights.
Might be a few people. Yeah, a couple.
Isn't it beautiful here?
Yeah, it's really warm too.
It's a nice way to spend the last day here in Greece.